Good morning, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to Constant Spring Road here in St. Andrew, Jamaica. The road on our right is Oliver Road just now. Of course, if we continue left, we will go to Stony Hill, which later leads to St. Mary, the parishes of St. Mary and Portland. And of course, St. Anne. Come in here. We change lanes. Going by Manor Park Plaza on our left. Right now we're in Manor Park. Earlier we passed by Manor Park Plaza. There's also some shops here, pharmacy, clothing store, doctor's office, you name it. KFC. As you can see, supermarket as well. Three American restaurants here. We have Burger King, KFC, and Subway in one plaza. Going by Discount Pharmacy on our left just now. Constant Spring Road in the morning. It's a popular spot for persons to come and jog. This road on our right leads to Cassava Peace. Coming up to Immaculate Conception High School on our left. Immaculate Conception, of course. It's a Catholic high school. Another set of stores on our left. Hillman Road on our left. That also leads to Charlton Avenue. Some nice houses are around there. Passing by Scotia Bank. You know where there's a Scotia Bank, usually there's an NCB Bank nearby, right? Passing by it now. Oakland Apartments on our left. Fresh Approach Supermarket. Place to go to get Asian ingredients or ingredients for Asian cuisine. What's happening here? If we were to make this right turn that's coming up, it will take us to the Queen's High School for Girls. Continuing on Constant Spring Road. Just passing by Home and Things, a hardware store on our left. So is Phil's Hardware, also on our left. There's another high school here in this vicinity called Melgrove rather. So I know right. You can see it very clearly now. There's quite a bit of traffic on the road already. And it's just 6:30. Continuing Constant Spring Road. Popeyes, another American restaurant on our left. Now we're approaching halfway tree. Whoa, alright. No indicator. Okay, alright. By the Lane Plaza on our left. Several plazas are on the stretch of road. Another popular one is Tropical Plaza, which we are approaching now. On our right we can find the Halfway Tree Transport Center. So right now we're in Halfway Tree, where it gets very loud and noisy. Alright folks, I'm going to leave it here for today. Hope you've enjoyed this brief look on Constant Spring Road here in St. Andrew as I approach the clock tower, Halfway Tree Clock Tower. Do enjoy the rest of your day, Until next time, Jamaican Insider out.